Hi friends, welcome all of you back to my YouTube channel. This is Virtual Teacher. I'm Pawan. So, how to migrate your current OS into a new NVMe SSD without having a PCIe device or USB enclosures that can connect your new NVMe SSD drive to a PC through a USB port. So, if you don't have such a device, how to migrate your OS? This is the current problem. So, I'm going to give you a superb solution for this. So with following this tutorial, you will be able to move your current OS into a new hard drive. So to do that, you need to have a hard drive, which means we are going to make our hard drive as the bootable partition of our PC and move the current OS, which means the migrate the current OS into the hard drive and boot our PC from the hard drive, and then you will be able to move back all the data into the new NVMe SSD drive. So this is how we are going to complete the process. So let's get start our video and see how we can do this. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, turn on notification and join with me. Okay guys, if you want to do this, you need to have a hard drive which can be formatted, because this process will permanently wipe all the data and partitions included in your hard drive. So I am not going to use my current hard drive for that, and I am going to use an old hard drive from my another PC. So if you want to do this from your current hard drive, you need to take a full backup, because this process will permanently wipe all the partitions of your hard drive. You won't be able to recover them back. So guys, as the next step, you need to download Minitool Partition Wizard. So this is the completely free software. You can download it from the given links in the description of this video. Then install the software and run it on your PC. Okay guys, before moving to the OS migration process, I need to show you something. You can see there are two hard drives that are installed on my PC. One shows as it's a Toshiba one, and another hard drive shows as it's a Kingston one. You can see this is the Kingston SSD drive which I have already installed my OS, and you can see it shows as a GPT partition device. And my Toshiba hard drive also shows as is a GPT partitions one. And if you can see here, it has a MBR partition one. You need to convert this also into a GPT partition device using this option. You can right click on this hard drive and use this convert to MBR option and click on apply to convert your hard drive into a GPT partition one before going to migrate your OS. Okay guys, we need to have another software to OS migration. So you can download this Genius software from the given links in the description of this video and install it on your PC. Then you can launch it and continue to the OS migration process. We are only using this Minitool partitions to convert our MBR disk into the GPT ones. Then click on OS migration option on the Genius software. Now select your hard drive. This process will permanently wipe all the data in your hard drive. So you can see here, this is our source disk and this is our target disk. Then you need to turn on this tick also. It will automatically select this hard drive as your bootable partition. Then click on start. Okay friends, here you can see my OS migration process is successfully completed and my PC is restarting. Okay friends, now I have successfully turned on my PC with installing the new NVMe SSD card, and I am going to repeat the previous process to migrate my OS back into the new NVMe SSD card from my hard drive. This will take some time. After successfully completing the OS migration process, you might be able to find some unallocated space on your NVMe SSD drive. So to overcome this problem, you need to select the recovery partition, which means the small partition in the new NVMe SSD drive, and right click on it. Then you need to go to the extend partition option. Now you need to drag your cursor like this and select at least 1 GB for recovery partition from the ending of the partition table. And here you need to select at least 1 GB for recovery partition from the end of the partition table of your new NVMe SSD drive. As the next step, you need to open the Windows Partition Manager to expand the size of your local disk C. Right click on your Windows key and go to the disk management option. Right click on the C drive and go to extend volume option. Click on next and click on finish. Now we have successfully migrated our OS into the new NVMe SSD drive. Now we will successfully be able to get rid of the unallocated space and increase the size of local disk C of our PC. So with that, I am going to wind up this video. Thank you all for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, turn on notification and join with me.